Hello students, I'm Manoj Sharma. Welcome you to my this YouTube channel, 10th class mathematics channel, Maths with Manoj Sharma. First of all of you must subscribe this channel and press bell button so that you get the notification about the new videos of 10th class mathematics. In this video, students, we are discussing class 10th mathematics and already we are discussing chapter number 8 trigonometry. And this is the third video of exercise 8.1. In this video we will complete our this exercise and we will do question 7 to question 11. So once again, welcome. Let us start the video. So beta, today's first question is question number 7, that is if cot theta is equal to 7/8, evaluate the two expressions. First expression is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And the second expression is cot square theta. Now, you are little bit surprised or curious to know what theta is. What is this another bala? ये क्या bala आ गई theta? So, let us start. Solution. First of all, we will draw right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Now, what is theta? Theta is a Greek alphabet which is used to suppose the value of angle. As you know, we take our base angle or reference to context angle A, then the theta is a supposed value of this angle A. It may be 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, whatever it may be. Just as we suppose x, y, z in algebra, here in trigonometry, we suppose angles as theta. So this is nothing. So theta is the supposed value. So base angle is theta. So our base will become AB and perpendicular will be BC and hypotenuse is AC, as all of you know. We have given cot theta is equal to 7/8. All of you have now learned the value of cot theta. Cot theta is ratio of base and perpendicular. So base upon perpendicular is equal to, from figure, AB upon BC, and which is equal to 7/8. So we can write AB is equal to 7K and BC is equal to 8K. So right here also BC 8K perpendicular and base AB 7K. Now you have to find which is missing. Hypotenuse is missing. So in right angle triangle, all of you know how we will find hypotenuse. We find it by using Pythagoras theorem. So write down using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. And hypotenuse is AC square is equal to base is AB square plus BC square. Now you simply can write h square is equal to b square plus p square. Okay, you can write that also. So putting the value, AC square is equal to 7k whole square plus 8k whole square. Right, in next step solve these squares. So beta, now AC square is equal to 7k square, that is 49k square, plus 8k ka whole square means 64k square. So AC square is equal to 113k square. AC is equal to square root of 113k square, which is equal to 113k. So write the value here also. So this is under root 113. K is outside. Remember this. Okay. Now we have got all the values. So we can find now any of the 6 ratios. Here in first expression, we have to find 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So we will find the value of sin theta and cos theta. So sin theta, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 8k and hypotenuse is under root 113k. So k will cancel down. This k will cancel down. So you get 8 upon under root 113. Similarly, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So base is 7k and hypotenuse is under root 113k. K cancels. So value of cos theta is 7 upon under root 113. Okay. Now you can put these values in this expression. So first of all, before putting the values in the expression, we make it little bit easier. How? 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. Remember, you can use here our algebraical formula. Which one? Yes. Think. The formula is a plus b into a minus b. See here, this is a, one will be a and sine theta will become b. So a square minus b square, 1 square 1 minus sine square theta. Similarly, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta will become 1 minus cos square theta. Now remember one thing important here. What is sine square theta? This is new to you. Sine square theta is square of the value of sine theta. This is what it is important. What is sine square theta? Sine square theta is square of the value of sine theta. Similarly, what is cos square theta? Cos square theta is also square of the value of cos theta. Remember this. This is very much important. Okay. So now let us put the values. By putting the values, we get 1 minus value of sine theta is 8 upon under root 113 square upon 1 minus 7 upon under root 113 square. Okay, is equal to, when we solve this, we get 1 minus 8 square is 64 upon under root 113 means 113. Upon 1 minus 7 square 49 and square of under root 113 will be 113. You will get this. Now solve this. When you solve this, you will get, first of all, solve this upper part. LCM will be 113. You get 113 minus 64. Now lower part here, again LCM 113. You get 113 minus 49. By solving this, you get 49 upon 113 upon 64 upon 113. Now, this will 64 upon 113 when go ups, it will reciprocals. So, you get 49 upon 113 into 113 upon 64. 113 and 113 will cut down and you get 49 upon 64. Okay, so this is the value of first expression. Now second expression. What is second expression? Second expression is cot square theta. This is very much simple. As you know, what is cot square theta? Square of cot theta. So what is cot theta? Cot theta is base upon perpendicular square. And what is base? Base is 7k upon perpendicular is 8k whole square. So kk will cut down. Square of 7, 49 and square of 8, 64. So you get 49 upon 64. This is our second expression. Next question is question number 8. And what is that question? Question 8 is, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This is what identity is. This is identity. Identity or equation means you have to prove two sides. Last question, that was expression. Okay. So here also you have to find the values of, first of all, tan, cos and sin from what? From cot A, which you have been given. So first of all, you will Draw a triangle. Hurry up, students. Draw the triangle. This is your triangle A, right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. So base angle here cot A is given. So base angle is A. So side adjacent to A, this is your base AB, and side opposite to this angle A, this side. So this is BC perpendicular, and this is your hypotenuse. Alright, students, it's okay now. Now solve this question. Given 3 cot A is equal to 4, so cot A is equal to 4 upon 3, right? And what is cot A? Cot A is base upon perpendicular. So B upon P is equal to B is AB upon BC, that is 4 upon 3. Okay, so we can take AB is equal to 4K and BC is equal to 3K, right? So write the values here also. So AB, this will become 4K and BC will be 3K. This is BC 3K and this is 4K. Okay. So as you know that first step is to find the hypotenuse missing side, that is hypotenuse. How we will find that? We will find by using Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay. So hypotenuse is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to 4K whole square plus 3K whole square. Okay, students, all of you have noted down. Now come to the next step. So your AC square will be is equal to 16K square plus 9K square. So AC square is equal to 25K square. Now 25 is the square of 5. So AC square is equal to 5K whole square. Note this step carefully. 5K square. So AC will become 5K. So right here also AC will become 5K. This is AC. Now you have now values of all the three sides. Now you can find any one of the trigonometric ratio. You have to find first tan. Okay? We have to check this. So first tan square A. Tan square is square of tan A, tangent A, that is perpendicular upon base square. Perpendicular is 3K upon 4K, right? Perpendicular is 3K. So K cancels down. So 3 square and 4 square, that is 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. 9 upon 16. You have to find cos also. So cos square A. What is cos square A? Square of cos A, and cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Whole square, base is 4K upon hypotenuse is 5K whole square. So it will become K cancels down, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. 16 upon 25. Next, sine square. Sine square is square of sine A. You can say perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3K upon 5K. Again K cancels down. 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. So it is also 9 upon 25. We get all the three values. Now use these values in this given identity or equation. So left hand side is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A is 9.16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16. Here 1 is separate. Listen, this is the mistake students made. They write 1 minus 9 upon 16. No, 1 is separate. 1 minus, then 9 upon 16. Note this step. Okay. Similarly here, 1 plus 9.16 is equal to, when you solve this, LCM will 16. So upper side will become 16 minus 9.16 and lower will become 16 plus 9.16. So you get here 7.16 upon 25 upon 16. When you solve this, 7.16 into 16.25, reciprocals will come up upper side. These will come to up with reciprocal. So 16.25, 16 cancelled. So we get 7.25. Now right hand side, cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A 16 upon 25 minus sin square A 9.25. So again solving this, you get 16 minus 9.25, which is also 7.25. So both sides are equal. So you can write LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is our question number 8. Now come to question number 9. So students, our next question is question number 9, and 9 is in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 upon under root 3, find the value of number 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and number 2 cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. You have been given the value of tangent A, which is equal to 1 upon under root 3. From this value, you have to find the values of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C, and then solve these two expressions. So next, so first of all, you will draw a triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, and here we have given tan A, so our base angle will be A. So AB will be base, BC is perpendicular, and AC is hypotenuse. Right, students? Now, given tangent A is equal to 1 upon under root 3. So perpendicular upon base is equal to, perpendicular is BC upon AB is equal to 1 upon under root 3. So BC will be K and AB is equal to under root 3K. So as you know, to find hypotenuse, we will use Pythagoras theorem. And what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Simply you can write h square is equal to b square plus p square. So putting the values, hypotenuse is AC square is equal to base square is AB square and perpendicular square is plus BC square. So AC square is equal to, in place of AB we will write K whole square plus in place of BC we will write under root 3 K square, right? So now we will solve this. So this K and this is under root 3K. So AC square is equal to K square plus under root 3 K square. Solve again. So AC square is equal to K square plus 3K square. So AC square is equal to 4K square. This 4K square can be written as 2K whole square. So AC will become 2K, right? So this AC will be 2K. Now we have all the three values. We can find now any value which we want. First we will find sin A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is K and hypotenuse is 2K. K and K cancel down. So we get sin A is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly cos A. Cos A will be base upon hypotenuse. Base is under root 3K and hypotenuse is 2K. So again K cancelled. So we get under root 3 upon 2. Okay students. So we get sin A cos A. Now we want sin C cos C. To do that we have to change our base angle. So now for sin C our base angle will change to C. When base angle changes, the base and perpendiculars also changes. This will become base and this will become perpendicular, right? So sin C will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now perpendicular is under root 3K upon 2K. K cancel down. We get under root 3 upon 2. Similarly cos C. Cos C will be base upon hypotenuse and base is now K. This is base K upon 2K. K cancels down. We get 1 upon 2. Okay. So now you can solve the given expressions. First is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Put the values. Sin A is half. Sin A cos C means sin A multiplied by cos C. So value of sin A 1.2 multiplied by value of cos C. 1.2 plus cos A under root 3 upon 2 sin C into under root 3 upon 2 is equal to 1.4 plus 3 upon 4. By solving this we get 1.4 and 3 upon 4 which is equal to 4.4 and again here cancels down, so we get 1. Next cos A cos C and sin A sin C. Again put the values. Cos A is under root 3 upon 2 into cos C. 1.2 minus sin A. 1.2 into sin c, under root 3 upon 2. When we multiply these, we get under root 3 upon 4, and by multiplying these two, we get again under root 3 upon 4 minus बीच में, so is equal to 0. So the value of second expression is 0 and first expression is 1. Okay students, now come to next question. And question number 10 is, sorry, this is last was question 9. Now question number 10. Question 10 is, in triangle PQR, right angled at QPR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Now here students, if you draw the triangle, which is our first step, then what you will find? Let us draw the triangle first. This is your triangle. Hurry up, draw on your notebooks. Now this is P, right angled at Q, and this is R. What you have given? This is your base, because angle here he talks about sin P cos P, so our base angle is P. So PQ will become our base and QR will become our perpendicular, and PR is hypotenuse. Okay. Now what we have given? We have given here PR, that is hypotenuse, plus QR, that is perpendicular. Sum of these two sides is 25. Okay, not each side is 25. Sum of these two sides is 25, and PQ is given. This PQ is given 5 centimeter. Now, how will you find the distance? This is the thing. So, what you will do? You will take one side. Suppose I take QR. So QR is equal to 25. PR will go to other side, 25 minus PR. Okay. So the value of QR is 25 minus PR. Bas, आगे वही, just using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. You can write in short HVP. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PR square is equal to 5 square plus 25 minus PR square. Okay, in place of QR you will write 25 minus PR square. Now solve this. PR square is equal to 5 square 25, squaring this, that is using the formula A minus B. Remember this, here you will use formula A minus B, that is 25 square 625 minus 2AB, that is 2 into 25 50 PR plus PR square. Solve this. So you get PR square. This PR square will come to this side. It will become negative minus PR square is equal to 25 plus 625. 650 minus 50 PR. Okay students, got it? Now next, what is next? Next step is PR square minus PR square. It will become 0 is equal to 650 minus 50 PR. So 50 PR will come to left side, so it becomes positive. 50 PR is equal to 650. So PR is equal to 650 upon 50. 0 0 cancelled. 5 13 the 65. So PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Here it comes 13 centimeter. And from here QR is equal to 25 minus PR, that is 25 minus 13. So it comes 12 centimeter. Means this perpendicular is 12 centimeter, base 5. You got all the sides. Now you can find the each and every value. So you have to find first sin P, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which will become 12 upon 13, right? Next is cos P. Cos P is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 5, hypotenuse is 13. This is 5 upon 13, right? Next is tangent P, that is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 12 and base is 5. So tangent P is 12 upon 5. Okay students, this is our question number 10. Now next question, that is last. This question is very much interesting. State whether following are true or false. You have to not only state, but you have to justify your answer. Very interesting. This will test your mental ability, what you have learned. For example, first part is the value of tangent A is always less than 1. Now, tell students what you are thinking. Is this true or false? If somebody is thinking it is true, then you are false, because this statement is false. How? I tell you. Since tan A is always perpendicular upon base. Okay. If the value of perpendicular is more than that of base, if the value of perpendicular is more than that of base, then the value of tan is greater than 1. For example, 4 and 3. I give you example. So, 4 upon 3. The value is always greater than 1. 5 upon 3. 6 upon 3. If perpendicular is bigger, then the value of tan A is always greater than 1. So, this statement is false. Second, secant A is equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Now, first of all, what will you thinking? First step is you have to think what is the secant A. Secant, this is true statement. Why? Because secant A is hypotenuse upon base. Okay, and hypotenuse is always greater than base. And in this case, hypotenuse is also greater. So this is possible. Okay, students, you have to think critically like this. Third part. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. I think all of you must know. What is cos A? Cos A is the abbreviation for cosine A. So this statement is false, because cos A is the abbreviation used for cosine of angle A. Okay. Now, fourth, cot A. Cot A is the product of cot and A. As already I told you, no, this is also false. Why? Cot A is the ratio of base and perpendicular with respect to acute angle A, right? Cot A is not cot of multiplied A. It is ratio of base and perpendicular with respect to angle A. What is sine theta? Here you have given sine theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. Is this true? Never. Why? Because, so it is a false statement, because sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and as you know, in right angle triangle, hypotenuse is always greater than perpendicular. So this is false statement. So hypotenuse is equal to 3, which is smaller than perpendicular, which is equal to 4, which is not possible. Okay, students. So this is our exercise 8.1. Students, if there is fastness in the videos are fast, then you can slow down by yourself also. Okay, you can hold the screen and write, listen carefully. This is very much interesting chapter. Okay, thanks friends. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Students, thanks for watching this video. You are watching Maths with Manoj Sharma. If you like this video, kindly share it maximum with your friends and subscribe this channel and press the like button, bell button, so that you get the new notifications. Once again, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.